50 solid hours and active noise cancellation under 2,000 pesos. This is the Huawei FreeBuds SE4 ANC. And this is what it looks like. Sobrang solid, sulit na sulit para sa kung ano yung na-offer niya sa atin. So this one is an in-ear na earbuds from Huawei, one of their latest releases at sobrang sulit na sulit. I like the price to performance ratio, and what I can tell is this is the best active noise cancelling earbuds in the market today. So this is what it looks like. It means that it's on, tapos charging siya pag nandito sa case na to. At sa kung kunwari kailangan nyo ng mabilisan na charge, in 10 minutes, makakapag-play na kagad siya ng 4 hours in a 10-minute charge. Ganun siyang ka-efficient. And what I like about this is how compact this is. Ayan yung itsura niya. This one is the case. Tapos meron siyang Huawei na logo here. Very minimal. Ayan lang siya. Tapos pag binuksan nyo, nandyan na kagad. There you go. Tapos hindi na kagad siya malalaglag kasi magnetic siya. Sobrang sulit para sa price na to. So if you're traveling, kasyang-kasya sa bulsa at saka hindi siya yung parang ma-edge na sobrang hassle pag kukunin niyo. Tapos glossy pa siya. So madali siyang i-slide off to your bags, to your pockets, or kahit may front pocket kayo, kayang-kaya. So ideal for calls, for easy listening, and noise cancellation. Talagang you own the world when you listen to this kasi talagang blocked off yung noise. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng affordable and at the same time very efficient and high quality music, then check this one out from Huawei.